Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to overcast skies across the Delmarva Peninsula currently. Going to see that throughout the day today. We'll see a drying condition compared to yesterday across the region with very minimal chances of some sprinkles after we saw almost 2.5 inches of rainfall yesterday. The very wet start to March continues as we move into the weekend with additional chances of rainfall once we move into Saturday. Overall for today, we'll see that tranquil weather, as I mentioned, with not much chance of precipitation, no chance of lightning, and the winds under 25 knots. For current surface analysis, we have a cold front off the coast, area low pressure associated on that cold front. Weak trough moving through our region this morning. Overall, as I mentioned, just going to have those mostly cloudy to overcast skies today. Very slight chance of a sprinkle for later this afternoon, but overall, in general, tranquil weather. Our next system is starting to develop across the plain states. It's going to move towards our region for Saturday, giving us a chance of rain showers, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm. Then taking a look at our current observation, a broken deck at 1,000 feet, overcast deck at 2,400 feet, 5 miles touchy visibility. Seeing our winds out of the northwest at 5 knots, temperature 52 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. Taking a look at our quick look at our satellite imagery as well as our radar composite, you can see here a little bit of sprinkle activity just north and west of our region over the Chesapeake Bay. That's going to be trying to filter down for this afternoon, but overall most likely won't see any of that reaching the ground as we move into the afternoon hours today. Most likely just going to remain mostly cloudy to overcast, seeing those winds becoming more northwesterly for later this afternoon. And taking a look at the 3-kilometer AM model for the next few days here, you can see in general good conditions today. They continue into Friday. More sunshine on Friday across the region. Clouds increase late on Friday. And then for Saturday, we'll see a warm front move through the region during the afternoon on Saturday associated with the next system. That's going to give us a band of some light rainfall moving through for Saturday afternoon. Then we'll see some possibility of moderate to heavy rain showers move through for late Saturday evening with a chance of some thunderstorms as well. So could be seeing another dose of about half to 1 inch rainfall across the region for Saturday. So continuing with those very, very wet conditions across the region for the beginning of March. And taking a look at our risk chart for today, a green chart across the board today, high 58 degrees, low tonight around 42, northwesterly winds 8 to 13 knots, gusting 18 knots this afternoon, and becoming fairly light out of the northeast at 4 to 8 knots tonight, and northeast at 6 to 11 knots by tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast should see VFR conditions develop this afternoon, ceilings above 3,000 feet, and that especially will occur after about 1,800 local as it appears now. But should see some periods of VFR conditions this afternoon between 12 and 1,800 local. By tomorrow morning, just seeing some serious cloudiness across the region, a few clouds at 20,000 feet as broken deck at 25,000 feet. Our tides are running about a half foot above normal currently, and looking to Friday into Saturday. Friday and Friday night, good conditions, green charts across the board. Friday, partly mostly cloudy, slightly breezy, high 55. Friday night, mostly cloudy, overcast, low of 40. And Saturday, we turn active again, as I've mentioned. Saturday, mostly cloudy, overcast, rain likely during the afternoon, then scattered rain showers and thunderstorms during the evening. It'll be breezy during the afternoon and evening as well, high 54 degrees. We'll see that red condition for our rainfall, a yellow for our lightning. Right now, it looks like about a 30 to 40% chance of a thunderstorm moving through. And then we'll see our winds gusting around 25 knots, possibly in the around 27 to 28 knots Saturday evening. And then as the ceilings will lower with that system moving through, could see some ceilings below 500 feet Saturday evening. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock. Look the next 7 days.